One of the things you have to be able to do, or potentially have to be able to do for your EOG, is box and whisker plots without a calculator. This specific question we've seen before. We've done it in class. I think it was on the cluster 12 test. But it's also on that release test that the state gives on the inactive part, okay? So what you want to do, you want to put the data in order from least to greatest first. In the case of this problem, they already did that for us. So you can see down at the bottom there is New York, that's the lowest. Cleveland's at the top, that's the highest. Everything just kind of goes in order. We want to know how many pieces of data we have, so we count it up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pieces of data. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it in half. If I cut 14 in half, how many I got on each side? 7. So that's right there between Milwaukee and Detroit. Between 150 and 150. So what's between 150 and 150? 150. So right away, that's our median. 150, 150, 150, 160. D's out. Now, we need the medians of each half. The lower median, upper median, that's going to be our lower quartile or our upper quartile. So if I got 7 on each half, when I split that in half, I should have 3 on each side, right? 1 in the middle. So what that does is that makes St. Louis my median for the lower half. That's my lower quartile, 142. Could be. Could be. Definitely not. So there we eliminated C. So we go to the top, our upper median. In this case, that's going to be Chicago with 175. Looks like 175, that's 190. And you see, that's all we're doing is we're checking to see which ones match up. You could also use the minimum and maximum. In the case of this problem, that wouldn't have been too helpful though. But minimum, maximum, lower quartile, median, upper quartile. Those 5 numbers are generally all you'll need to match a graph or a box and whisker plot with the data, okay? Go ahead and try this. I got 10 pieces of data. I need all 6 of those numbers. So the 5 I just mentioned, plus interquartile range. Alright, minimum. Ben. 5 is correct. Next. 1, first quartile, okay? 70 is correct. Median, Dulce. 82.5 is correct. Q3, Brian. 90 is correct. Aiden, maximum. 95. And IQR, that's our interquartile range. Sophia. 20 is correct. Alright, so I got my data. Maximum, minimum are the easy ones. Once you put them in order, there's your minimum, there's your maximum. Median goes through the middle. I got 10 numbers. I should have 5 on either side. That's putting my median right here. To find that exact number, you add them up, divide by 2. That gives you 82.5. Then we need the median of each half. We got median, median. And you can see in each section, I get 1, 2 numbers without a line through them. That's what you want. You want everything divided up evenly. And then the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Any questions on that? Something that takes a bit longer doing it without a calculator, but it's not anything that's like horrible mathematical.